This is our customization. High-quality extrusion CNC machining motorcycle lamp housing. It can make various colors. And surface treatment is your requirement. There are many advantages is below. 1. Good dissipate heat, waterproof, easy to install. 2. Beautiful appearance and lightweight. 3. Corrosion resistant. Our factory has various types of CNC precision machining equipment, including lathes, precision milling machines, wire cutting machines, tapping machines, drilling machines, CNC computer gongs, etc., which can undertake most of the precision machinery automation equipment manufacturing, mechanical parts, hardware, and production manufacture, and provide various surface treatments such as anodizing, sandblasting, anodized silver, natural color, anodized frosted, bright, wire drawing, power coating, and etc. There are many colors to choose, like golden, bronze, wood grain, champagne, black, and others. We customize these aluminum profiles for high-end precision technology and craftsmanship. Please send me your drawings or samples to get the best quotation and high quality.